Ready? Okay. How's it going, everyone? Wanted to show you guys a quick little inside of a passion fruit. This is a edible fruit that comes off of a vine, and it's evergreen, so it'll have its leaves, on the vine all year, and it's drought tolerant and low maintenance. You only got to cut back where you don't want the vine to grow. And we grow it much like you'd grow grapes on the wall, or an espalier, apple, or pear. So it's real easy once their skin gets kind of like this. Let me show you here. Are you able to look at that good, Mama? Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. So in the skin here, you can see is kind of wrinkled. And that's what you want when you open it and you cut in half, because then it's going to be super ripe like that. You see all this juice and all this fruit?
Mm-hmm.
And then what you do to eat it easily is you grab yourself a little spoon and you can put it in the fruit like that. Really sweet. Alright, just wanted to show you guys. Have a good one. Bye.